So, Professor, we always think of you as being, 30,000 on the Dow when we were at 10,000, things like that. Are you at 60, 70,000 now, or have we? Are the best days? Are we? Is the Fed in a hiking mode? Therefore, it's not as great as it was 10 years ago.
Well, listen, it's quite easy. The next 12 months of earnings, I just looked it up. S&P $230. Now we're selling for 4,600 on the S&P. Now the math is really simple. 230 into 4,600 is 20 times earnings, forward earnings, and that's very reasonable. I mean, it's not cheap, but very reasonable in a very low interest rate environment, even though they are hiking. But as you know, and I've been on many times, I think the Fed is going to have to hike even more than what the market thinks. And so a lot of progress, certainly towards 40, 50,000 is certainly going to be harder in the first half of this year, if not even a little bit longer.
But then back to being the greatest place in the world to do business with, great laws and everything else. So that takes over eventually, doesn't it?
In the long run, absolutely. And 20 PE is a 5% after inflation rate of return. Take a look at bonds right now, negative after inflation rates of return. So, I mean, there's really no compare. So where you want to be in the long run. And still, no question about that.